you. I would like you to pull onto the right hand side under the lamppost, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Just secure the car for 1 second for me, please. Okay, so we're here to do our parking maneuver, and I would like you to reverse 2 car length back, reasonably parallel to the curb, please.
Okay.
When you're ready, on your own time, please. Thank you.
Okay. About here.
Thank you. Yeah. Now drive on when you're ready, please. On your own time. And I would like you to pull onto the left hand side just in front of the white car, please. But give yourself plenty of space to move off, okay? Thank you. And just secure the car and relax. Okay.